Yeah, yes, my people. When you see that uniqueness, you know, when you see our nature with us, you know, when you taking that bird for the counter, this, so every day I'm come here, you know, I'm yard, you know, so you the right there, so team, you know, the man, you and stand upside down side, right? That's how you live, my people. Yeah, man. Once upon a time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the bird is living in the wild, my people. Every day I'm come by, you know. One day I was showing when it's spread out and I relax himself. Here's I'm home, so we can't cruel to these things, you know. We have to love these things. These things is nature, you know. Nature itself. Yeah, man, very tame. So when I want to stone the bird them, I eat the bird them. I the fowl them when I eat a bird them too, you know. Yeah, when I call them fowl through they not fly away. Duck them, bird them, you know. And I want to live like women. Don't run from the Rasta man, bird. Don't know if you're a cock or hen. Yes, my people, a Royal Urel out here showing how I go on Mother Nature, you know. Yeah, man, some work we are going with same way from the camp, you know. Yeah, man. So out here, my people,